Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you, friends? I hope you're all fine. Today I'm back with very beautiful and a very useful collection of jute handbag designs. Guys, in this video you will see different designs of jute handbags, and I hope you love all the designs because all designs of jute handbags are so beautiful and so stylish. Guys, this is a very useful collection because you can make jute bags themselves. So just watch this video till then and you will get many beautiful and useful designs of jute handbags. And guys, you must try to make it yourself because all designs of jute handbags are so beautiful and so simple, and I am sure you make it. And if you don't make it, then you can buy these types of jute handbags from market. Guys, you can see in this video all designs of jute handbags are so beautiful and so stylish. So guys, this is a very useful collection, so must watch this video till then and you will get many beautiful and latest designs of jute handbags. Guys, you can see in this video different work are made on jute handbags, and I hope you love all the designs and all this collection of jute handbags. So if you're loving all the designs of jute handbags, so please also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get my new videos notification and you never miss any video and any collection on my channel. Guys, you will get many hints and many ideas from my videos, so don't miss any video and watch my videos till the end for getting beautiful and latest ideas. That is very helpful and very useful for you. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. So just tell me in comment section how was the video, how was the design which you want to see on my channel, so that I can bring my next videos according to your choice and demand also. Because as I always saying that your choice is very important for me, and I always trying to bring a useful collection for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. So see you soon in next videos with amazing collection and new ideas, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember, I mean your precious pairs, and please guys support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. And one thing more, be positive always. Allah Hafiz.